Here is the last stitch for our Tunisian sampler Afghan throw blanket thing that I never fully decided the name on, and I probably won't, but here it is. So here's a look at the back, and then you just saw the front a minute ago, and yeah, so let's get started. Let's begin from a foundation row. Now this is crocheted in multiples of 3. We're going to make a chain of 30 to make our square. Beginning on that second vertical stitch of the row, you are just going to Tunisian simple stitch. This is just a regular Tunisian simple stitch. The next two are a back leg Tunisian simple stitch. So you insert your hook behind the back leg of the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then you repeat in the next stitch. So insert your hook behind the back leg, yarn over and pull up a loop. You're going to repeat those same 3 stitches for the rest of the row. So Tunisian simple stitch with the front leg, and then Tunisian simple stitch using the back leg, and then one more Tunisian simple stitch using the back leg. In the last vertical stitch of the row, you're going to cast on a regular Tunisian simple stitch, and then you cast on into the final stitch of the row. For this entire project, you're going to work a regular return pass, and that is just yarn over, pull through 1, and then for the rest of the loops, it is a yarn over, pull through 2 until you are left with just the 1 loop on your hook. Now, if this is the first video you're watching from this series, I highly recommend you go to the playlist. It's labeled the Tunisian Sampler Throw, I think. But yeah, just begin from the first stitch and then just catch up with us. All right, from here on out, you're just going to repeat this same row. So that's Tunisian simple stitch, just regular, and then 2 Tunisian simple stitch using the back leg. That's it. It's just a 1 row repeat. You're going to crochet a total of 31 rows. Now this is going to be one of those squares that's more rectangular. So it's going to be a little bit taller than it is wide, but we are going to block it into a square. So, don't worry about it. So what else? Yeah, that's it. Just continue repeating the same row with a regular return pass. And then we'll just work on the bind off, and that's it. So this bind off is not new. It's just the Tunisian simple stitch ended as a single crochet. Gosh, there are way too many stitch names. But you're just going to cast on a Tunisian simple stitch. Just a regular one, front loop. Once you have 2 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over and pull through both loops, and you are done. That is all 30 squares of this Afghan. I am so excited. It has been weeks since, or not weeks, oh my god, what am I even saying? It's been months. We've been working on this blanket for months, and we're almost done. I'm so excited. All right, I'm going to be going out of town to meet my new niece. You're going to see the blanket I crocheted for sometime this week. I'm uploading the video now. But yeah, once I get back from my trip, we will go through how to do the borders for this thing, how to block everything, and how to stitch it all together. And our Afghan is going to be done, and I can't wait. I'm so excited. All right, but yeah, so I'll post more about this when I get back in town.